This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Auxiliary drive belt renewal. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels. Raise the car using a jack, position axle stands, lower the vehicle onto the stands and remove the jack. Unscrew the 3 fixings at the front of the engine under tray. Then remove the 2 fixings at the rear of the under tray. Unclip the tray at the rear and slide it rearward to disengage it from the front. Remove the tray from under the vehicle. Undo the 2 screws to remove the drive belt lower cover. Engage an open-ended spanner with the lug at the top of the tensioner arm. Then rotate the tensioner arm clockwise to release the belt tension. Insert a 4mm diameter drill bit or rod into the hole in the tensioner body, so that the tensioner arm rests against it and locks it in this position. Note how the drive belt is routed, then remove the belt from the pulleys. Fit the new belt around the pulleys, ensuring that the ribs on the belt are correctly engaged with the grooves in the pulleys and the drive belt is correctly routed. Using an open-ended spanner, hold the tensioner arm so that the locking drill bit or rod can be removed. Then release the pressure on the spanner so that the automatic tensioner takes up the slack in the drive belt. Ensure that the belt is correctly seated on the pulleys as it is tensioned. Refit the drive belt lower cover, securing it in position using the 2 screws. Position the tray under the vehicle. Raise the tray into position. Engage the tray at the front, then clip it into position at the rear. Secure the tray in position by refitting the offside, centre and near side front fixings, followed by the offside and near side rear fixings. Raise the vehicle using a jack, remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Remove the chocks from the rear wheels.